Hey guys, we received this 8-pack canvas tool pouch for test and try. So they have a zipper upgrade with a 16 ounce heavy duty small tool bags. So they are the canvas style multi-purpose organizer or utility bags. So you can use it for any other purpose like for the office supplies, cosmetic as well. So you can see this comes in a really nice vacuum packed packing, and now the each individual canvas bag is a very solid build, as I can feel it here with a nice zipper or the strong strap hanger with nice responsive zipper and a premium fabric canvas. So strong durable stitching on the seams, as I can feel and see it here with a zipper thing, and you can see like nice stitching, and the zipper is also very smooth and durable. Then you can store your tools, cosmetics, office supplies, stationery, or anything you want in this bag. The colors are also neutral, nice colors, so it can be used for all other different purposes. So I like the quality of these bags because they are really strong and also feel nice in hands. They are of the nice size as well. Zipper, as I mentioned, looks quality zipper, and the colors I like, especially blue ones and or green ones. I like those colors. So yeah, they are all like different colors pouches, as you can see it here. You can store all your different things, and it's pretty nice. So each pouch is around 12.5 inch in the length and 7 inch in the height. So overall, my impression for these are nice quality. I stored something and looks nice as well. Very nice canvas pouches.